There's over $2 million in giveaway prizes to win, and I can't wait to give you the details. So this is BlockDAG, and if you guys haven't seen this product yet, it is quite amazing. They are doing a pre-sale right now, already 22 million raised, but this product is going to take the world by storm. If you missed out on, say, Bitcoin in 2009, Solana in 2020, Ethereum in 2014, then you don't want to miss out on BlockDAG. They have a way you can earn so much money through their miners and just holding. So I'm very excited about this project. As you can see, they are doing quite a bit pre-sales, and I think there's 45 different levels of the pre-sale. So you want to get in on early and don't want to miss out, because it gets more expensive as time goes on. So you're getting early, you're guaranteed to make insane gains. This is a project that has been going through the batches quickly, so you don't want to miss out. They've started at obviously batch 1, and now I think they're on batch 10. Yeah, pretty sure they're on batch 10. So they've actually done more than batch 5s. They're already on batch 10, and there's only 45 batches, so, or stages in a sense. So you definitely want to get in when you can, because as of right now, the listing price, I believe, is like 5 cents right now. Currently, our batch price is currently 6 cents, or 100,000th of a cent. So 0.006. Next batch is going to be 0.007. And if you would have gotten in early, that's kind of like a 10x already, because the listing price is going to be 5 cents, and it's at 100th of a cent. And I think it could definitely get up to $10 because of how much market cap they're going to capture. This is definitely going to be the most advanced BTC or Ethereum you've ever owned. So I'm pretty excited about it. Isn't like getting BTC back in 2019, like Ethereum in 2014, or even Solana in, 2020? So BlockDAG is the project you want to get in 2024, because this is going to be above it. This is, technology advances, and this is the next step in the technology way. If you definitely want to follow them on their different social medias, this is their X. You definitely want to check out their Discord and Telegram. They have 30,000 people on their Telegram. For whatever reason, I can't find them on the Instagram, but that's okay. But definitely follow them on all of their social medias and their actual website with all their information. But I want to go over their giveaway, because I think that is massive. So this is the $2 million giveaway by BlockDAG. As you can see, they are giving $2 million away to one of the 50 winners sharing our massive prize pool. Simply engage with us, complete as many tasks, and boost your chances to win with bonus entries for each friend you bring on board. All you need to do is have at least $100 of the bag holdings, and then obviously fill out your entry, and that's how you qualify for the $2 million. And I mean, there's a lot of other sites talking about it, like this is NFT Evening, BlockDAG Coin $2 million giveaway. There's another one on BSC News, BlockDAG Moon Keynote Teaser, and 2 million mega giveaway. So lots of bullish news on this. And that's not all the ways you can earn passive income. They do have miners. So as you can see, they have their X1, X10, X30, and X100. So if we actually go to the wiki and go to their miners, you can see the X1 app miner is a cloud-based miner, and you can earn BDAG coins. Not phase 2, but X10 is more of a router modem. X30 is kind of like a at-home computer, and then your X100 is like meant for mining. And that's pretty exciting, because you can earn up to 2,000 BDAG tokens every single day. I don't know about you guys, but there's so many bullish signals for this project. I can't wait to earn some of their passive income with the miners. You guys, let me know in the comments down below if you're going to get a mobile, if you're going to use a mobile miner, or if you're going to get the 100X. I can't wait. You guys let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you on the next one. Also, I want to make sure that you guys know that all links are in the description. I figured I just finished my editing and realized I didn't tell you that. You guys check out the links down below, because you don't want to miss out on this project, and that's how important this is. Peace.